hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to teach you a few domino techniques that you can use in building like big domino structures or anything you would like. So as I said earlier, I'm going to be teaching you techniques, and these are some of the things to make techniques. This is like a template to guide you in how much space you need in domino width to put, and then you have to put the dominoes in each of these spaces. These are two half bridges, as you can guess, you put the dominoes up over them. These are field starters. For example, when you do an octa wall, it's best to knock it down from the top. So this, you have to do it like that, and so this will knock it down from the top, and it looks best that way. And these, I have a few dominoes here to show you these techniques. So, beginning with lines and curves, you must not keep two dominoes with this much space in between. You need one domino width like this and this much space in between. And you must continue a line like with these small space. And now for curves, there must be at least 4 dominoes in the curve. You need like a 90-degree angle. So let me do this in blue dominoes to make sure you get it. So 4 dominoes. These two will be straight, and now I'll be starting the 4 dominoes. It's a minimum of 4, so you can do any number you would like. And these must be very close together, these tips. So now that you have come here, look, 4 dominoes makes a 90-degree angle. So that these blue ones are representing the 90-degree angle. These are how you're supposed to do curves. The next technique I'm going to teach you is triangles. So it's basically like a whole triangle. You can start with this. And then as you go on, you just put like 2 joined together. And then now you get 3. So this will be like that. I'm just doing this with red dominoes so you can get a clear presentation. So that is an example of a triangle, and you can make this bigger if you would like. I'll show you how this works by toppling it. See, so this like spreads out, and at the end you can like split. The next technique I'm going to be teaching you is split-offs. So we start with 2 of these. I'm going to be doing this in different colors so you can see the difference. The next technique is going to be using the domino template, as I said earlier. You just put dominoes in it. And then you just take them out without disturbing it. So these are the perfect line of dominoes. The next technique uses a field starter, and it's named field starter, as you could guess. So we will be using this one. What we have to do here is basically put dominoes like this at the end. It's hard to imagine, but just one domino can topple this whole thing over. So we can just put dominoes like this out on the back. Just make it a little long so the pressure can be a little more. And then, this is the interesting part. You just line up dominoes like this. So after you line them, you can just make as much lines as you want and put them all in like different directions. so you can make many patterns of some kind. Let me show you by toppling it. See, so you can make this like a big create. The next technique is a half bridge. We will be using one of these bridges only. You can guess, we'll just stack the dominoes up the bridge. So now you can knock the dominoes up or down the bridge. Let me provide an example. See? This time we'll be using these two, and we'll be using one of these field starters, the short one. So this is what you will call a full bridge. Basically, you'll be starting with dominoes over here. Let me just make a small line. And then you'll be working your way up. And we're not done. We made the bridge under, so because this is a full bridge, we'll be curving it around. And we'll be going through the under of this bridge. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get more updates on our videos. Bye!